Do you think your mechanic is always looking out for your best interests? The truth is, there are certain car care tips they'd prefer you never learn about. Why? Because these simple pieces of knowledge could save you hundreds, even thousands, in repair costs, while also keeping your car performing like new for years to come. In this video, I'll reveal 10 surprising secrets that can completely change the way you maintain your vehicle. Stick around until the end, because once you hear it, you'll never think about car care the same way again. Let's get started. Secret number 1. Reset the maintenance required. Light yourself. Let's talk about that little maintenance reminder light on your dashboard. It's nowhere near as alarming as it might seem. These reminders usually appear at specific mileage intervals, often every 15,000 miles, and are designed mainly to get you back into the dealership. The reality? Most of the time, it's just telling you that your vehicle is due for an oil change. You should, of course, keep up with regular maintenance, but don't panic when you see this light. Instead, look up the process for resetting it in your specific vehicle model. Doing this yourself will save you a trip to the dealership and put extra money back in your pocket. The same goes for a check engine light. It doesn't always require a mechanic. With a simple OBD2 diagnostic scanner, which costs around $30–40, you can read the trouble codes yourself on any car made since 1996. Just plug the scanner into the OBD2 port, and you'll instantly know what's wrong. Whether it's a minor fix or something more serious, this tool puts the power in your hands and helps you avoid paying for unnecessary repairs. Secret number 2. Bleed the brake system. When replacing pads. When swapping out brake pads, there's a crucial step many people overlook: opening the bleeder valve before compressing the caliper piston. Here's why it matters. Forcing old brake fluid back into the system can damage sensitive components, like the ABS module. By opening the bleeder valve, you not only avoid that risk, but also remove some of the old, contaminated fluid in the process, which is great for your braking system. Just remember to keep an eye on the master cylinder so it doesn't run dry while you're working. Secret number 3. Don't waste money on most additives. Fuel additives are often marketed as miracle cures for your car, but the truth is, for most gasoline engines, they're unnecessary. US fuel already contains all the required additives straight from the refinery, and modern motor oils come preloaded with advanced chemical packages right from the manufacturer. Your money is better spent on consistent oil changes. That said, there are exceptions. Diesel engines benefit greatly from additives that prevent fuel gelling, raise cetane levels, and keep injectors clean, especially during cold weather. For gasoline engines, certain additives like Techron or Seafoam can be useful in older cars or when using low-quality fuel. The trick is knowing whether your vehicle truly needs them. Secret number 4. If your heater blows cold, check the coolant. If your car's heater is producing only cold or lukewarm air, the most common reason is low coolant. Without enough coolant circulating through the heater core, all you'll get is cool air inside the cabin. If this happens, check your coolant level and top it off if needed. Often that's all it takes to restore warm air, a simple fix that has saved many drivers on chilly mornings. Secret number 5. Car batteries age. Even when sitting on a shelf, a car battery begins to lose life the moment it's filled with acid at the factory, even if it's never been installed. Before buying one, check the manufacturing date and choose a battery that's less than a month old for the best performance. Avoid large retail chains where batteries might sit for months. Instead, buy from a dealer or shop with high inventory turnover. For maximum readiness, give your new battery a 1 to 2 hour charge before installing it, and keep the terminals clean to ensure a solid electrical connection. Secret number 6. Get the most out of your spark plugs. Spark plugs may be small, but they play a huge role in igniting the air-fuel mixture inside your engine, which is literally what powers your car. Modern iridium plugs can last up to 100,000 miles, but don't wait that long before checking them. To inspect them, remove a plug and look for wear, carbon buildup, or damage to the electrode. These issues can cause misfires, slow acceleration, or reduced fuel efficiency. If your car is hard to start or feels sluggish, it may be time for a replacement. Always use the exact type specified in your owner's manual. Fresh spark plugs mean better mileage, smoother starts, and reduced risk of engine damage. Secret number 7, stop overfilling the gas tank. When fueling up, it's tempting to keep squeezing the pump after it clicks off, just to top it up. But doing so can cause fuel to spill and damage your vehicle's vapor recovery system. It also releases harmful gasoline vapors into the environment. The fix is simple. Stop filling when the nozzle automatically clicks off. That's your sign the tank is full. Secret number 8, replace air filters on schedule. A dirty or clogged air filter restricts airflow into the engine, lowering performance and increasing fuel consumption. Checking it is quick. Open the hood, locate the air filter box, remove the filter, and inspect it. If it's dirty, replace it. Most drivers should change the filter every 12,000, 15,000 miles. But if you drive in dusty or polluted conditions, check more often. Secret number 9. Inspect the PCV valve regularly. The positive crankcase ventilation, PCV valve, controls engine pressure and keeps harmful gases from building up. If it becomes clogged or fails, it can lead to rough idling, higher oil consumption, or even sludge buildup. Check your PCV valve every 10,000, 15,000 miles. To test it, remove it and shake it. A working valve will rattle. Then try blowing air through it. It should only flow in one direction. If air moves both ways, it's faulty and needs replacing. Luckily, replacements are inexpensive and easy to install. Secret number 10, change engine oil and transmission fluid on time. If you drive a lot, your car needs extra care. Use synthetic oil. It lasts longer and handles heavy use better. Change it every 5,000, 7,500 miles, depending on your driving habits. Closer to 7,500 for mostly highway miles. For transmission fluid, most automakers recommend replacement every 30,000, 60,000 miles, but in stop-and-go traffic or when hauling heavy loads, change it sooner. Regular fluid changes keep your transmission shifting smoothly and extend its lifespan. These 10 tips aren't just good to know. They're the most effective way to keep your vehicle running smoothly, extend its life, and avoid expensive repairs.